Let's learn school subjects in English together. Math. I enjoy solving problems in math class. Science. We study plants and animals in science. Literature. I enjoy reading interesting stories and discussing characters in literature class. History. In history, we discover important people from the past. Music. We love singing songs and learning about instruments in music class. Physical education, or PE. We play sports and exercise during PE class. Computer science. I enjoy learning to code and creating programs in computer science class. English. I like reading stories and learning new words in English class. Subscribe for more English learning videos.